What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you a scalping strategy that gained me 80% and 30% on 2 contracts yesterday. And the first thing you want to do is get these indicators that I'm going to list out right here. They're all free. First one is Nadaria Watson envelope. You just want that. ATR. I like to use volume. You don't have to. And RSI. And I'll show you the settings on how to use it. So these are the specific settings because yours might look different than mine. Here are the settings. You can pause to copy them. Here are these. Volume you don't need any settings for, and then RSI you do. This is all the stuff I use. Okay, once you have those settings inputted, now we get into the strategy. So this was on a 5-minute time frame yesterday for SPY, and the basis of the strategy is you're waiting for the ATR and the candles to go outside of the envelope. You don't necessarily have to wait for the candles, but you have to look for the ATR. And you want to make sure, let's say when it's above, you want to make sure it's overbought. You want to make sure it's above the 70 on the RSI. And if it's oversold, then it's below the 30. And so you just want those for confirmations on the strategy. So essentially right here, you saw that it was going outside. You wait for the candle to close, and that means, and this is obviously outside of the 30, so that would be a long position. You enter a long position, and you put your stop loss at the bottom of this, and your target's only 1.5, but you can go way longer. Like, you could have left runners right here and netted a great deal of profit. And you can do the same thing with puts right here. Red candle, you could have entered a little bit early, but you could have also entered late because it was a small candle with not so much volume. But you could have done shorts right there, and then you just put it right there, and boom, go ahead, you take profit. You left runners coming in. Same thing right here. So even though right here you wouldn't have actually hit 1.5, it would have eventually later in the day, so you would have actually netted some profit. So you enter a long position right here, see is outside, boom, candle close, you enter. Your target is 1.5, get it exactly, whatever, extend it, your stop loss is down here, would have hit it eventually. And especially that's a high volume candle, so if you're in that, you could have gotten some great profit. And it works on all time frames. Like I said, all stocks. It works on Apple. You can see right here, it was overbought. Right there, came down, oversold, boom. And even though the strategy didn't take it right here, it was just being safe. You hit a great profit right there. You don't need to go on another trade. And yeah, it works for Bitcoin as well. Right here, it was oversold, you go into calls, you would have netted profit. And that's just the basis of the strategy. You guys can add levels into it, so I actually use levels to help with my profits. So I use WKA. It's like, so I help with levels to see where there's like, could be like resistance in breaking trends as well. So yeah, this strategy has really helped me, and yeah. Don't forget to join the Discord in the description. It's Millennial Millionaires, and then the other one is Hank's Wealth, which is an indicator for buy and sell. It's a friend of mine, and I'll be showcasing that later on. And also, don't forget to use Webull. Webull is what I use for my brokerage, and if you use my link, you can get up to 12 free stocks. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if this strategy works for you. Thank you.